Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is an important message for all the TikTokers and the people who are on Instagram. I'm on Instagram and on TikTok, and I see a lot of filth, disgusting material like TikTok lives and all that. The kharafat, the bakwas that you guys do. Please stop. Remember that this dunya is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as a testing place. This place is temporary. What are you doing here will be accounted for on the judgment day. So remember, what you leave in this world will be your legacy and will be your hardcore written assessment for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the judgment day, to be reviewed and assess your entry to Jannah or Dozakh. So remember, what you do online will stay online, will keep circulating online, good or bad. So if you leave good, right, if you leave good messages, the messages of da'wah, the messages of Allah's acceptance, the messages of Allah's mercy, or any reminder that comes from Quran and Sunnah, that will be accounted for your book of deed as a good deed point. If you leave a dance, a song, or a bad word or slur or bad language or showing your body, exposing your body parts and stuff like that, that will also stay, but unfortunately that will stay as a filthy deed point on your assessment book for the judgment day to be reviewed. So understand and remember, and also consistently assess your online engagement. Always understand that everything is recorded, not only on TikTok. Everything is recorded in your book of deed. Everything is recorded by the angels that you have on your shoulders. Right and left, you have an angel appointed. Each shoulder has one angel appointed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to write all your deeds. Online, offline, they have no barriers, right? Like you and I, right? They're not people who are talking only to camera lenses and nobody can see them in their all isolated corners and stuff. So guys, these cameras are attached to us for our own assessment, self-evaluation. So be accountable as the believer. Be accountable and take the ownership of your role in this dunya as Allah's Khalifa. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent you as his Khalifa to do the right thing. He said you are the nation. As believers, as Muslims, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said you are the people who enjoin the truth and forbid the evil. And if we spread the evil, then who are we? Followers of shaitan? So remember to be very responsible online. Remember to be very self-accountable online. Whatever you leave will stay there, and if it will keep inspiring people, you will keep earning sawab even when you die. If it will misguide people or create more filth, you will continue earning the bad deed points. Remember that and be responsible.